So, hello guys, welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. That means all your softwares, hardwares, phones, gadgets, web link, applications, anything tech, think about it, and I do deliver on it. So this is your tech hub you cannot miss out. Today we're going to be looking at how to create a QR code from any web link of your choosing. Don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit that post notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. So let's go. So here you want to go into CapCut. Once you're in CapCut, you're just going to go to the top left corner and select create. Wherever it is on your screen, you just want to select create. Then in the search box here, you're going to type in logo. Okay. Once you've typed logo, it's going to give you several. You want to select a square sized one. And the reason is simple. QR codes most often are going to come in the squares, so you want to be able to put it right in that dimension. Then in the left corner here, you're going to select applications, that's apps, and then type in QR. Now, once you're there, just type in QR and hit enter. You're going to find several applications that are going to generate the QR code that you want. In this example, we're going to be looking at two different types that you can make. Now, a simple one we're going to do first is this. And while we're starting, you're going to need a link. In this example, I'm just going to take a link from the Google map, which is here. We're going to take this link, a beach in Ghana, that I'm just going to select to share the link and then copy that link. Then we're going to go into, we're just going to go back here and then put it inside here. Then click generate. As soon as we do that, we're going to get the link generated. This is going to be the QR code that's going to go exactly to that very location. You can fill that gap and then click on share, download, and download there. And immediately you're going to have the file download into your phone or your PC. You can share to whoever you want to share to. Let's look at a second example. We're just going to come back, click on apps, and then we're here in the QR code. Now, the first example was a simple one. So let's look at another one that can allow you to change more variables. So another example here is going to be this one, for example, or let's select just this one. So once you've selected an example like this, we're going to delete this one. And then here you can see it's going to ask you for the web link that you can put inside. Then here you can change the margin. If you look critically here, you can see that between the white and the QR code here, there is a bit of margin. You can alter that using this. So let's say we put it all the way back at 50, and then the background, you can always change it to whichever type that you want. You can do that. You can change the patterns that you're seeing here by clicking this and change to different patterns. See, it changes in real time as you're changing it. The color of the QR code, you can change to whichever color you want. You can see that the patterns here, you can change it to whatever, change everything. Then you can come into logos and even attach your logo. In this example, I'm just going to take this and then put it in the middle. Then when you're done, you're going to click on add to design, and then that's going to be here. You can put it again in the corner and then expand it to fill the screen. And that's it. Simple way to create QR codes anytime. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I would answer. If you have any suggestions on what you want me to do, whatever thing you want me to help you understand or explain to you, I'll do exactly that. So in the comment section. So don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, thank you all for watching. Peace out.